All right, we're gonna look at what to do when you're not given a point and a slope, but you're given 2 points. Remember, the slope formula is your rise divided by your run, which is like you take your y minus your y divided by your x minus your x, okay? And then we can use that to do the point slope formula. So what you're gonna do on a problem like example 1 is you're gonna work through this and you're gonna find the slope. So you have 7 minus a minus 1 divided by a negative 3 minus 1. So that's 8 divided by a negative 4, and my answer is a negative 2. So it does not matter if I pick this point, and I'm just going to do this with y equals mx plus b, y equals mx plus b, so I get 6 plus b, so I minus 6, and my answer is 1, so y equals a negative 2x plus 1. So I did the slope, and then I used the slope with y equals mx plus b, okay? The other thing that I can do is I can use this point, and so I can do y minus the y value equals m times x minus the x value. So I times in, keeps doing that because, okay, so I times in, I get y plus 1 equals a negative 2x plus 2. I minus 1, and I get y equals a negative 2x plus 1. Again, I don't care what method you use, I got the same answer. So I don't care if you do y equals mx plus b or point slope form, I will give you credit for both. Okay, so let's do this and let's find the slope. We're gonna do example 4. So I'm gonna do y minus the y. So y minus the y divided by x minus the x. That's 1 divided by a negative 1, so my slope is a negative 1. So if I use this point and I do point slope form, I would do y. I'm so sorry, guys. It won't record. It's doing weird things. So I'm not even touching it. Y equals mx plus b. So y equals a negative 1 plus b. So I'm going to add 1 and add 1. And I get 7 equals b. So y equals a negative 1x plus 7. Okay, I can do the same thing with this point. And I can just do y equals mx plus b. So I would do a negative 2, and then I would add 2 to both sides, and so I get 7 equals b, so y equals a negative 1x plus 7. So again, if you look, I got the exact same answer. So it does not matter to me how you find the equation of the line, but you've got to be able to find the slope and the equation of the line. All right, so let's take a look at number 7. So if I do my slope, negative 14 minus 2 over a negative 9 minus 3. So that's a negative 16 divided by a negative 12, which reduces 4 goes into both of them to 4/3. Okay, so if I use this point and I do y equals mx plus b, so that would be negative 12. I just used a calculator. So I'm going to add 12. I'm going to add 12. And my b is a negative 2. So y equals 4/3 x minus 2. Okay, I can do the exact same problem. But instead of doing y equals mx plus b, I can do y. I give up today. I can do y minus the y value equals m times x minus the x value. So I times in y. Y minus 2 equals 4/3 x minus 4. I add 2 to both sides, and I get y equals 4/3 x minus 2. Exact. I'll know you watched this because you'll be laughing at me. Exact same answer. So you make the choice how you want to do that, but you have homework to do with this.